If you're still building Shopify stores manually, please stop. I'm seeing this mistake happen so often and it's slowing your business right down because your competitors have already automated the process of building Shopify stores, but you're wasting hours doing that task yourself manually. And this is why I've partnered with Doba to show you exactly how to break out of the manual trap. Specifically, we're looking at Doba Pilot, which is their new AI assistant. I wanted to see in real time just how quickly I could set up a professional storefront and whether AI could actually make the day-to-day operations efficient rather than just automated. And if you are still doing everything by hand, you're working in the weeds, and Doba Pilot is designed to pull you out of them before you hit that wall of burnout. Dropshipping is a simple model on paper. You focus on the selling and the supplier handles the logistics. It's the ultimate lean business. But here's the reality. I see people spend 6 months chasing the so-called perfect store design. They spend hours every day manually researching products, writing descriptions from scratch, and uploading photos one by one. By the time they go live, they're exhausted. And this friction is what kills momentum. It turns you into a kind of a data entry clerk instead of actually running your business and making money. AI has reached a point where it can take that entire strain off your plate, but there is a reason why successful dropshippers stop searching for products entirely and start kind of interrogating their inventory. Manual search is reactive, AI search is predictive. In this video, I'm taking you through the entire process, creating an account, integrating your store, and using the AI to source winning products and automating your marketing. And by the end of this, you'll have a clear view of how to use this system to get your store live. And I've secured a trial so you can test it yourself with 60 days of the standard Doba plan, plus 60 days of the Doba Elite Academy. So setting up the account is the first step in moving away from the manual process. I've dropped a link in the description which you can follow to the homepage and click Get Started. You can link your existing Google or Facebook or Apple accounts for one-click access or register with your email. Once you're in, you'll set up your subscription and get access to the dashboard. The first priority is integrating your Shopify store. If you don't have a store yet, don't worry, you can press the same button and the system will guide you through building one using AI. If you already have your store, hover over Integrations in the navigation bar, select Shopify and click Connect My Store Now. The system handles the API handshake automatically, and I emphasize this because manual integration is a nightmare. I've seen people try to manage orders using spreadsheets and manual emails to suppliers. It's slow and it's where the errors happen. You want a native connection where your store and your supplier platform are essentially the same system. And when a tool is native to your workflow, it just disappears. You stop thinking about the tool and start thinking about the results. That's the level of efficiency we're looking for. Now, once your store is integrated, you need products, of course. You need something to sell. And most people approach this by kind of scrolling through endless lists on various marketplaces. They look for something that looks cool. And that is a bit of a beginner mistake. Doba has spent 2 decades building a massive network of verified suppliers. A huge percentage of these suppliers are based in the US, and that is a critical detail. If you are dropshipping from overseas, you are dealing with 3 to 4 week shipping windows, and that can kill customer satisfaction and leads to chargebacks. But using domestic suppliers improves your margins and, more importantly, your reputation. But even with good suppliers, searching manually is a massive time sink. When you use Doba Pilot, you aren't browsing, you're asking for solutions. Now, successful dropshippers don't just browse because browsing is for consumers. Business owners filter for profit. So let's say I'm working in the productivity niche. I don't want to look at 5,000 random items. I want high leverage products. I can prompt Doba Pilot AI, find me 10 trending productivity gadgets under $100 with at least a 25% profit margin. And within seconds, the AI analyzes the marketplace data. It's not just pulling random items, it's actually filtering based on your specific logic. It checks the supplier price against the current market data, it calculates your margin, and presents the best options. You aren't searching anymore, you are reviewing the shortlist. Now, you can see the supplier cost, the shipping cost, and the product description all in one window. It turns essentially a 4-hour research session into a 10-minute decision-making process. You're spending 0 time searching and all your time just deciding. So once you've identified your winners, the next friction point is getting them onto your digital shelves. And this is where most people get stuck in the kind of copy and paste cycle. You take the description from the supplier, you copy it into Shopify, you format the images and hope it looks okay. Usually it looks like a generic dropshipping site that nobody really trusts, but Doba Pilot changes this with automated listings. So when you find a product, you don't copy and paste. You click a button, the AI takes that product data and pushes it into your store, but it goes further. The AI actually optimizes the product titles and descriptions for you. It formats the text to be conversion focused. It creates a professional look that mirrors a real brand. It's not just moving data, it's actually translating product specs into a sales pitch. It makes your store look like a professional business, not just kind of a project that was thrown together in the afternoon. Then there is the pricing. This is one of the most kind of neglected areas of dropshipping. Most people guess. They see an item that costs $10, so they charge $20, but they forget the accounts for transaction fees, ad spend, and return rates, whereas Doba allows you to set automated pricing rules. For example, you can set a rule that says, apply a 1.5 times markup to every product I list. The system does the math instantly. If the supplier changes their price, the system updates your retail price to maintain your margin. You don't have to revisit every single product page every time a supplier shifts their cost. You set the logic and the system executes. It removes the risk of a math error that could wipe out your profit for the whole month. And I'm curious how many of you have actually kind of sat down and calculated your true margins after all the hidden fees, or are you still just guessing at your retail prices? Let me know in the comments, because understanding your numbers can be the difference between a hobby and a business. So we've found the products, we've listed them, and we've priced them. Now we have to move them. So content is the lifeblood of e-commerce. If you aren't running video, if you aren't really competing on platforms like YouTube, like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, but filming and editing video for every single product is basically a full-time job. Trust me, I've been on YouTube for 10 years. You need a studio, lights, a tripod, editing software, and a lot of time. Most people simply don't have the time and or the equipment to do that for every product they test. Fortunately, Doba has a video hub. Now, this isn't generic stock footage. These are high quality supplier provided videos for the exact products you are selling. You don't need to buy the product. You wait for it to arrive, you film it, you edit it, you find the product, you grab the professional media, and you can have an ad running on, let's say, TikTok or Instagram in literally minutes. It eliminates the production barrier entirely. It allows you to essentially test products in the market almost instantly. And in this business, the person who can test the most ideas in the shortest amount of time is often the business that wins. So let's talk about what happens when the sale actually comes in. This is where a lot of kind of people new to this realize they've built a system that can't necessarily handle success. If you get 50 orders in a day and you're doing everything manually, that can be quite problematic. So you kind of have to log into your store, copy the customer details, log into your supplier, paste the details, pay the invoice, and then repeat that 50 times. You've just turned your lifestyle business into an 8-hour shift of manual data entry. With an integrated system like Doba, that friction is gone. When a customer buys from your Shopify store, the order information flows directly to the supplier. They pack it, they ship it, and you're done. You aren't touching the product, you aren't handling the logistics, and you aren't worrying about tracking numbers. The system manages the fulfillment behind the scenes. And this is the invisible productivity web that I'm always talking about. When your tools are integrated, you spend less time managing the business and more time actually growing it. You move from being a worker in your business to being the person running the business. So tools don't build businesses, you do. No AI is going to magically make your business successful if you aren't testing products, if you aren't refining your marketing, if you aren't actually providing actual value to your customers. There's no software in the world that can replace a sound business strategy, but there's also no reason to make this business harder than it needs to be. As the old saying goes, you need to be working on your business, not for your business. If you are spending all your time on manual data entry, managing your tools and fighting with the back end of your website, you are working for the business. You've essentially created a job for yourself. And by letting Doba Pilot handle the sourcing, using the automation to manage your listings and pricing, and leveraging the video hub for your marketing, you are freeing up your mental energy. You are removing the friction that leads to burnout. You're giving yourself the space to actually scale. And if you're still building your Shopify stores manually, it's time to change the system. Give Doba a try. Use the link in the description to get your 60-day trial of the standard plan and the 60 days of the Elite Academy. Take the time to set up the system properly, use the AI features to find your first few products, and see how much faster you can move when the friction is removed. And if you like this video, you can check out some more AI productivity videos that will help you get more. You can click on these cards on the screen to watch those, and I'll see you over there.